menyelesaikan suatu permasalahan apa, yaitu kecelakaan. Kecelakaan itu suatu musibah yang kita tidak tahu dan tidak ada di kalender kapan kita kena musibah. Jadi langsung aja kita ke pokok permasalahan. Jadi dalam perkara ini, Bu, Bang, kami dari pihak kepolisian ini, suatu permasalahan apapun itu ada ada menengahinya dengan cara mendamaikan. Kalau istilah bahasa kami itu, bahasa di polisi itu restoratif justice.
Come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. This really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. I'll be Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya atas nama Kepala Desa Matang Nihon mengucapkan beserta keluarga ahli musibah mengucapkan terima kasih banyak yang telah menyelesaikan sesuatu hal dalam masalah kecelakaan di jalan dengan lancar. Mudah-mudahan ke depan Aceh Timur mantap.